Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add a new page on Google Docs. So if you're wondering how you can add a new page, maybe in between the pages in here. For example, I want to add the pages between the second and the third page. So you can just follow these steps. First, you need to put the cursor at the end of the page or after the last sentence in here. Then you can go to insert at the top. And then scroll down in here till you find break. So what you need to do is just choose this one, page break. Click on it. And now a new page will be added just like this. So guys, that's all for me. I hope this simple tutorial will be helpful. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on thanks. Bye.